water scarcity, rising industrial waste, inefficient systems. The future demands smarter solutions. Water scarcity.
Clear water drop solutions. Transforming challenges into sustainable engineering solutions.
No plant stoppage. No production loss. We ensure continuous operation with expert troubleshooting solutions.
Advanced troubleshooting and process optimization to maximize efficiency and performance.
We deliver advanced zero liquid discharge systems with MEE, MVR, ATFD.
Complete water treatment solutions including ZLD systems, STP, ETP, MVR. Scaling issues, efficiency losses, and unexpected breakdowns can impact your operations. Complete EPC solutions with expert installation, commissioning, and reliable service support. Serving diverse industries including chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food processing, and manufacturing sectors. Advanced engineering, optimized performance, and reliable solutions that deliver real value. Continuous operation. Zero downtime. Maximum productivity you can depend on. Dedicated client support with on-site assistance and remote monitoring whenever you need us.
Partner with Clear Water Drop Solutions for reliable and efficient engineering solutions. Contact us today. Clear Water Drop Solutions. Engineering excellence in every drop.